We've been looking into our crystal ball, and we see statistical skills in the 2024 pre-release exam. We're going to take you through the statistical skills that you could be tested on. You may be asked to calculate the mean. This is the average of a data set. The mean is considered the most useful measure of central tendency and requires a simple calculation. All values are added together and then divided by the number of values. Let's try calculating the mean for data in Figure 1 of the pre-release. Pause the video while you calculate the mean government spending on housing and community amenities in England from the table on page 2. The correct answer is £131.11. Notice how we included the pound sign as the data is expressed in pounds. We've also written our answer to 2 decimal points as this represents pence. The next statistical technique we will cover is the median. The median is a useful measure of central tendency when the data contains exceptionally high or low extremes, because this is excluded. To calculate the median, rank the data from lowest to highest. The middle number is the median. For an even data set, calculate the average for the 2 middle values. Pause the video while you calculate the median government spending on housing and community amenities in England from the table on page 2. The correct answer is £126. Notice how we included the pound sign as the data is expressed in pounds. The next statistical technique we will cover is the mode. The mode is the most straightforward measure. It is simply the most frequent value in the data set. Pause the video while you calculate the mode government spending on housing and community amenities in England from the table on page 2. The correct answer is £138. This is because there are 2 regions where government spending is equal. Notice how we included a pound sign as the data is expressed in pounds. The next statistical technique we will cover is the range. The range is the difference between the highest and lowest value in a data set. Pause the video while you calculate the range in government spending on housing and community amenities in England from the table on page 2. The correct answer is £126. This is because the difference between the highest value, £203, and the lowest value, £77, is £126. Notice how we included the pound sign as the data is expressed in pounds. The next statistical technique we will cover is the interquartile range. The interquartile range shows the spread of a data set but is more accurate than using the range because it removes extremes. The interquartile range shows the spread of the middle 50% of the data set because it removes the top and bottom 25%. Pause the video while you calculate the interquartile range in government spending on housing and community amenities in England from the table on page 2. The interquartile range is £58. The final statistical technique we will explore is percentage change. Percentage change shows the increase or decrease between 2 figures expressed as a percentage. To calculate percentage change, work out the difference between 2 values Then divide this by the first number and multiply by 100. Calculate the percentage increase required for the government target for building housing to meet the NHF estimate. Pause the video while you do this. A 13.3% increase is required for the government target for building housing to meet the NHF estimate. If you need further help with statistical skills in geography, visit the Internet Geography Statistical Skills area using the link above or in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video.